Are you somebody who loves high precision workflows and you love making your work way more easier? Well, today I am talking about the XP Pen Deco 1 version 2. This small little tablet packs a punch. It is very high in precision and gives you zero latency when you are interacting with your system. So if you're a photographer editing those images, or if you're an artist manipulating those images, if you're a painter creating that digital art, or if you're a filmmaker editing and color grading that amazing cinematic film, well, this is a tool you would definitely want to replace your mouse on your system. This little tool gives you the accuracy that you need to make the smallest of changes to anything that you're doing. With a 10 by 6.25 working area, this actually allows you to work on any kind of document on any kind of laptop or computer that you're working on. And the best bit is, it comes with rotation. You can work with the tablet at any angle. I love using this tablet for those manipulation of images in Photoshop and of course color correcting my images in Lightroom. Well, it doesn't stop there. This tablet allows me to edit on any video editing software like Premiere Pro, DaVinci, or even Final Cut Pro X. And the best bit, what I really love about this device, it is cross-compatible. It works with my Android device. Yes, you heard me right. I can use this tablet with my phone, getting that high precision and working in any situation, anywhere. So if you're a graphic designer, a photographer, a filmmaker, and even a Canva designer, this is the tablet that you would want to work on the go. And a very special recommendation for those online teachers. Well, this will make your life way more easier because you can use this as a chalkboard and teach your students on the go anywhere in any situation. Well, if you are the new age teacher teaching online, this tab is your blackboard. It works with any kind of Chromebooks or Chrome OS, giving you the ability to teach your students like you teach them in a classroom. XP Pen also gives you the tutorials and the correct documentation to teach you how to use this in different situations. Installing it is very easy and the user interface is mind-blowing with a lot of shortcut keys that are available on your fingertips. It comes with a high precision pen, a pen stand, a glove, and a protective sheet that keeps your tablet safe from any kind of scratches or smudges. A very easy to maintain, high precision tool that will not only allow you to work on those very high-end projects, but also make your workflows way more easier and faster. I would recommend it to people who want to replace that mouse with a very high precision tool that will allow you to work flawlessly on any kind of project, or even teachers and corporate people who want to get rid of that troubling mouse.